Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add buy now pay later on Shopify. It's really simple and easy. First of all, we have to go ahead and open up the settings in the bottom left corner, and in settings you have to go to this payments. Now if you have set up your Shopify store correctly, you should see Shopify payments and then manage payments. You have to click on there. Once you click on there, you have to scroll down and you want to make sure to enable shop pay and specifically shop pay installments. Now if you cannot see those two, or at least not shop pay installments, if you need Shopify but you're not sure yet, that is probably because your store is one, not based in the US, and two, your store is not in USD. Now you need to meet those two requirements in order to add or use shop pay, and where you can actually add the buy now pay later. So if you have enabled that, then that's pretty much it. That's how to add buy now pay later on Shopify. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.